So we need to put this into the quadratic formula. We need minus. Yeah, I know. We need minus b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This gives us minus 3 plus and minus the square root of 9 plus 40 over 2. This gives us minus 3 plus and minus the square root of 49 is 7. So plus and minus 7 over 2. And it gives us x1 is equal to minus 2. x2 is equal to, plus 2 and minus 5. On this one, you have to rearrange it to begin with. So we get 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. You've always got to rearrange your equations so they're in the form ax squared plus bx plus c before you use the quadratic formula. When we put them into the quadratic formula, we get minus 8 plus and minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4ac. This gives us all over 2a, which is 4. This gives us minus 8 plus and minus the square root of 64 minus 64 over 4, which is minus 8 plus and minus the square root of 0 over 4. So in this case, we get x is equal to minus 8 over 4 minus 2. We only get one answer. We don't get two answers. On this last one, we have to rearrange this to be 2x squared. We have to subtract this x from both sides like this. We have to minus x from both sides, so we get plus 3x. We have to minus 2 from both sides, so we get plus 2 is equal to 0. Putting it into the quadratic formula, we get x is equal to minus 3 plus and minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4ac. So 4 times 2 times 2, so that's minus 60 over 2a. This one gives us minus 3 plus and minus the square root of negative 7 over 4, which implies no real solutions. We get three possible types of answers here. In this first question, we get two solutions, two real and different solutions. In the second one, we only get one solution. And in the last one, we get no real solutions. What causes that?
The number is like this. Number here is positive, and it has to, it's here at 1, and it's negative, it has none.
So if we look at the square root on each one, this one's 49. It's a positive number. It gives us two answers. This one's 0, and because it's the plus minus that causes two different values. If you're adding and subtracting 0, you're not changing anything. So with this one being 0, it gives us one answer. If this is negative, then you can't square root a negative number, so at that point it all falls apart and you get no real solutions. So the most important part from this is from the quadratic formula. Where do I have it somewhere? From the quadratic formula, we just write the quadratic formula here. X is equal to minus b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now the bit that causes one solution, two solutions, and three solutions is this bit, b squared minus 4ac. This part of the quadratic formula has a special name. We call it the discriminant. So the discriminant we use, if we want to shorten our handwriting, we can say delta. That little triangle is capital D in ancient Greek. It means delta. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. If the discriminant is positive, you get two real and different solutions. If the discriminant is 0, you get two real and equal solutions. If the discriminant is negative, you get two real, non-real solutions. or you get no real solutions. So we need to determine how many solutions each function has. So without solving, we use the discriminant. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. That's all we have to calculate. B squared is 9 minus 4ac. B squared minus 4ac. So B squared is 9, 4ac. What's 4 times 2? Yes, minus 4. What's 9 minus 8? How many solutions? So this is greater than 0, which implies that the discriminant is greater than 0, which implies 2 real solutions. How many real roots does this equation have? Let's try it again. Try the discriminant. What's b squared? 25 minus 4ac. So 25 minus, what's 4 times 3? Times 2? How many solutions does this have? This has 2 real solutions. Okay, let's try this one together. What's b squared? Let's not shout out, you guys know it. We take somebody else. What's b squared? What's the value of b? 7. Or minus 7. Minus 7. What's minus 7 squared? 49. Minus 4. What's the value of a? What's the value of c? What is 4 times 2 times 7? Not quite, 1 less. 8 less. Minus 56. What's 49 minus 56? Negative 7. This is less than 0, which implies the discriminant is less than 0, which implies no real solutions. Calculate the discriminant's value in D for yourself now. I'll give you a minute for this. Calculate the discriminant's value. You got 1 minute.
Why did he? It's way less complicated.
If you did 3, that means you got 8 hours. one point two. But I don't know why it is. We have to do one more. Yeah, it was something like we have to go like so. I don't know why.
I do like 69.
Okay. No, there was one where like they like something. Yeah, I was done.
All right, let's have a look at the discriminant value. So the discriminant is b squared. 18 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 12. Is that right?
Yeah.
No. What have I done wrong? Mate, this isn't in standard form. This isn't in the standard form. So we need 2x squared minus 12x plus 18. Okay, I can't do that right now. I have to sit and get it. Okay, so minus 12 squared. What's minus 12 squared? 144. 144. And then we need 4 times 2 times 18. So 144, 8 times 18. 80 plus 64, 144. What does this imply? So if the discriminant is equal to 0, one real solution. So the most important part from today's lesson is this part. Make sure you have this copied down with nice colored highlighter pens around it so it stands out. Take a couple of minutes to copy this down, take a photo of it if necessary. This is not on the formula sheet, and it's one of the few things you have to memorize. Just pause the video a minute while you copy that down. Find the homework. Okay, so I'd like you to work with IXLZ8. Let me just check that that's the correct one. I think it is. Here is a video you can watch as well. I think I put it on the Google Classroom. Yep, there's a little video where I show you how to do it. Have a go at IXLZ8. You also get one form of practice questions. So you can choose as I come round whether you want the regular difficulty or the extended difficulty. So for homework today, you need to finish Z8 in one of these two formula sheets, one of these two worksheets. Take a photo of your worksheet and upload it to the Google Classroom.